Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if your REALME 12x is blacklisted. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see, I'm on the IMEI.info page. You can see the link right in here. And now in this bar, all we need to do is to type the IMEI number and now click on this blue button, check IMEI. Okay, now as you can see, we have our REALME 12x 5G. If you will scroll down, in here you can read the basic information about the phone, but when you click on the white button you can read the full. And if you click on expand info, you can see more information about it and read it for yourself. Okay, but we are interested right in here, a little bit below. In here we have the basic checks free. And as you can see, the second option from the top is the blacklist symbol check. So let's simply click on it. And now on this blue button, check blacklist status. Okay, now the order is processing, so we need to wait. Okay, and now we have our confirmation. As you can see, this device is clean. Also below we have again information about the brand, the model, our email number, and the confirmation that this device is clean. And below we can find the date on which the report was created. Also, if you want, you can perform the blacklist premium check. So simply you need to click on this blue button, order now. Okay, now you can scroll down, but as you can see, this costs $4, so you need to pay for this, and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Okay, a little bit below, if you click on this picture, you can see the comparison of how it will look like when the phone is blacklisted and how when it's clean. Okay, also if you click on read more about Blacklist Check Pro, you can read all the information right in here. And the most interesting things are the advantages of using paid blacklist premium check. So as you can see, the result is fast, accurate and detailed. The result is saved on your IMEI.info account history. So if you are logged into this page, you can simply get your results anytime, and you can download the PDF certificate anytime. Also, all results in premium service contains PDF certificate which you can share. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and the blacklisted of. Okay, so thank you all for watching. That's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.